In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add team members and permissions in Postmark. When you're working with a team, it's important to give colleagues access without exposing settings they don't need. Postmark makes this straightforward by combining account-wide roles with server-specific permissions, so you can tailor exactly what each person can see and do. Start by signing in to your Postmark account. Open the menu in the top left, go to Account, and choose Team, which may appear as users depending on your view. Select Invite a teammate. Enter the person's email address, choose the role that best matches their responsibilities, and send the invite. They'll receive an email with a link to accept and join your account. A quick tip: let them know beforehand so the message doesn't get missed in a spam or promotions folder. Next, understand the account-wide roles. Owner is the highest level, with full access to everything across the account, including billing, user management, servers, and global settings. Admin can invite or remove team members and manage most configuration, but cannot access billing or transfer ownership. Teammate is more limited and is designed to pair with per-server permissions, giving someone only what they need for specific servers. Now, refine access at the server level. When you invite someone, or when you edit an existing user, you'll see a drop-down next to each server. Choose Full Access, also called Server Admin, if the person needs to edit server settings, templates, webhooks, or API tokens. Choose View Only, or Server Viewer, if they just need to see activity, stats, or suppressions without making changes. Choose No Access to hide that server entirely. This structure is perfect for scenarios like granting a developer full control of a single server while allowing a support teammate to monitor delivery without altering configuration. A best practice is to grant the least privilege required and expand later if needed. If you ever need to adjust access, return to Account, then Team. Click the person's name, update their account role and server permissions using the drop-downs, and save. The changes take effect right away. From this same page, you can also remove a user if they no longer need access. If someone reports they can't see a server, confirm they've accepted their invite and that the correct server permissions are selected. That's it. With roles and server-level permissions set thoughtfully, your team can collaborate in Postmark securely and efficiently.